Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So welcome back to a bonus grocery haul. So as you guys know, I had budgeted in $50 for groceries for the month of November. My daughter sent me $100 for groceries. 40 of those dollars the kids used for the fair. So I had $60 for groceries. So I spread that out over the week. So $260 for groceries. Well, I got another deposit today. I went on 2 trips, and so I got reimbursement checks for the trips that I went on. So I went ahead and paid my doctor's bill and got all of that squared away and taken care of. I now have a zero balance, and there was a little bit left over. So I went back to the grocery store to pick up a few coupon items as well as a few more things for Thanksgiving. And then I popped into the Dollar Tree and picked up a few things that we needed for Thanksgiving. So let me share with you what I was able to get and then how much I paid. So I did not pick this up in my original shopping trip because the Lily's chocolate chips are a little bit pricey, but this week they're on sale for $5.99, and these are no sugar added, sweetened with stevia. So I picked these up. I then got the Highland Crest White large eggs. Now I saw this on Harris Teeter deals, and these were supposed to be 69 cents. Well, at my store, they did not ring 69 cents. They actually rang $1.29, but the sticker said $1.19. I didn't argue over the 10 cents, but had I known ahead of time, because I thought it would come off eVic, I would not have purchased the eggs, but we'll use them because I'm doing deviled eggs, and there's about 20 to 30 people that are going to be at my mom's house. So I'll do these, and that'll be enough, and then I'll keep what I have in the fridge here for just for us. So $1.29 each, and I got 3 dozen. This Frigo shredded Parmesan cheese. Now this was buy one get one free. Let me see. It was it's 2 for $5. Not buy one get one free. 2 for $5. But there was a 75 cents off coupon that doubled to $1.50. So for this Frigo shredded Parmesan cheese and this one, I got the shredded and the shaved. I paid $1 a piece for those. I printed off 2 coupons. The next thing were these Dole mandarin oranges. Now the kids don't normally eat treats like this, but I got this with no sugar added. There are some carbs in here, but again, they're not as strict as I am. These were 2 for $4. I had a 50 cents off coupon that doubled to $1, and I was able to use 4 coupons, so I paid $1 a pack. So it's 2, 3, 4 times 4, 16 in there. So it's enough for the kids to have 8 snacks each. Went back in and got a couple of the Kraft cheddar cheeses because they were buy 2 get 3 free. So last week when I was in Walmart, I saw this particular, it wasn't this brand, but they were in cubes, and then they were they had barbecue seasoning on the cheeses. So I came home, cut up a block cheese, and did the same thing with my taco seasoning, and we really liked it. So I picked up a couple of the cheese cubes for the kids so we can make that again because it was a really good snack. So I picked up 2 of the cubes, 1 of the mozzarella parmesan, 1 is mozzarella cheddar, and then 1 is cheddar and asadero. So those were buy 2 get 3 free. This Land O'Lakes honey butter, which I'm using for Thanksgiving on the crescent rolls and the biscuits that my kids and I will not be eating, was $2.69 buy 1 get 1 free. So I had it was $1.35. I had a 50 cents off coupon that doubled to $1, so I paid 35 cents for this. Cream cheese was 99 cents each. I picked up 2 of those because I'm going to be doing cheesecake, keto cheesecake for Thanksgiving. My aunt already asked me to do keto desserts, so I'm going to do cheesecake. So I just picked up 2 more of those. This here it is salsa. They had salsa and they had the avocado verde as well. But I just like the red mild, and this one didn't have as many carbs. Oh, it had the same amount of carbs, but it didn't have as many calories. The red one was 10 calories and the other one was 50 calories. So this was 2 for $4. I had a 55 cents off coupon that doubled to $1.10, so I got it for 90 cents each. So I had 90 cents each for those. Then this Domino's sugar, which I don't use sugar, but I'm going to find somebody to give this to. This was $1.89, and there was a 75 cents off coupon that doubled to $1.50, so I paid 39 cents each for those. Then this, okay, this was an issue for me. I was walking by this, and normally this is $5 and some, so I don't normally pick this up, but I saw a sign for buy one get one free. So I thought, okay, at $2.50 I can justify picking this up. Save me a trip to Home Goods, which is a long way from where I was. But when I got out of the store and got back to pick up the kids from Taekwondo, I realized that they had charged me the full price. So I took it, I went back and said, you know, ma'am, just the vanilla, sugar-free vanilla was on the shelf for buy one get one free, and she actually refunded me the full price instead of just giving me the half price. She refunded the whole thing. So I got $5.50 back just for this because it was their mistake. So I didn't go in there to get my full refund. I just went to get the $2.50 that they owed me, but she just refunded the whole thing. Fine with me. This, I got the Ocean Spray Diet. This is cran pineapple. And then I got a cran lemonade diet. The kids and I really do like that. They will buy one, get one free. And let me see what my... Okay, it was $1.99, right? $1.99. And I had an 80 cents off coupon that doubled to $1.60. So I paid 39 cents a piece for these. The next thing I got were these Clorox wipes. I love Clorox wipes. They work for my life. The Scentiva was $2.99, and I had a 75 cents off coupon that doubled to $1.50, so I paid $1.49 a piece, and I got 3 of those. The Colgate, now these, okay, I think I got one wrong because I was trying to get them all 4 ounces, and they were 2 for $3. I don't know about the 6 ounce. That didn't look like it came out 2 for $3, but anyway, I thought I had picked them all up right. So they were 2 for $3. I had a 50 cents off coupon that doubled to $1, so 50 cents a box. But I think the 6 ounces I might have paid a little bit more for. So I'm going to have to check my receipt one more time to make sure I didn't get the wrong thing. Now, all of that I was trying to get because I had some good coupons. So I had coupons for this, coupons, 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 and coupons. I had coupons for a lot of things. So I was trying to get to my $40 so I could get my turkey for 37 cents a pound. Now, I already bought a turkey, but I figured, hey, what's the harm in having 2 turkeys? Because I can freeze this because we have the deep freezer outside, and we can have a turkey just whenever, you know, whenever. So the 99 cents a pound was $13.52, which was the regular EVIC price. But if you spent $40, you got it for 37 cents a pound. So for a 13.66 pound turkey, I paid $5.05 for that. So that was everything that I got over at Harris Teeter. Some of these are cleaning supplies and different things like that. So here was my balance, $53.10. I got 34 items. I had $13.16 in coupons, $11.16 in double coupons, $47.40 in VIC savings for a total of $71.72 savings, or 58% savings. Now, this says $43.10, but she gave me back $5.50. So I'm going to subtract $5. It's going to be about $47.60 is what I ended up paying for everything you see here. $47.60. So I'm good with that purchase for Thanksgiving, and then for some household items, a few snacks for the kids. So we're going to my mom's for Thanksgiving, and the problem with going to my mom's is I have to take all of my stuff because I'm keto and they are not. So I'm having to take all of my food items, which is why I have to keep buying so much stuff, because they're already going to have macaroni and cheese. My aunt's making macaroni and cheese, but I can't eat the pasta. So I have to make cauliflower mac and cheese, which means I have to buy my own cauliflower, my own, you know, I have to buy all of my things so that I can still stay keto. So I'm having to take a lot of stuff with me. So that's why I had to buy more. But whatever we don't use, we'll throw in the freezer. The kids and I'll use it later. But anyway, saying that, you know, making sure my mom has everything nice, I wanted to get, you know, I just picked up a tablecloth. So we went to the Dollar Tree. I picked up a tablecloth. I picked up some cups, 3 things of plates. I think we're going to have about 30 people. So I got some foam plates. I'm going to have my son pick up some smaller dessert plates. And then I'm actually going to have him pick up some drinks. My daughter's bringing 2 side dishes. So I'm going to have him pick up a few things. And then I got 2 of these platters just in case we need those. We needed a couple night lights for the house and pooper scoop bags for ma'am. And then some bulbs for the night lights. Then I just picked up a couple microfiber cloths because the cloths I have now just really smell bad, and I've had them for a long time. So I just picked up 4 of those, and then 2 kitchen towels, and then a spoon rest, because I really hate putting stuff on my stovetop without a spoon rest. So at Dollar Tree I spent $18.19. So this is what I got at Dollar Tree. This is what I picked up at Harris Teeter. I had every intention of heading over to Aldi because I wanted to pick up a few things for Christmas gifts, but that was not in the line of where I was driving today. So I may get a chance to hit it tomorrow and see if I can find those Christmas gifts I was looking for. But anyway, this was just a bonus haul I thought I would share with you guys. You might be interested to see what I was able to get again with coupons. So this had coupons. This one was coupons. Coupons. Coupons, a coupon, coupons, coupons, and coupons. So if you have any of those coupons, go over and get your deals, and just make it the best you can. I'm trying to still use coupons while doing keto, and a lot of times I'm getting a lot of cleaning or household or personal items now with the coupons that I'm getting. But I'm also getting things that I believe that the kids could use, so the kids can use this with no problem. So I am going to bring you another video probably later this week of my Thanksgiving update, just so you can kind of see where I'm going with Thanksgiving and everything that I have planned. So anywho, thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, thumb it up. Just says, hey, we like your video. If you're new to our channel, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until the next time, bye now.